You have just settled in for an epic gaming session, but your Nintendo Switch is running low on battery. You spot an extra USB-C cable lying nearby and wonder, can I just grab this one to charge my Switch? While it might seem convenient, the direct answer is no. You should generally not use just any USB-C cable to charge your Nintendo Switch. It is crucial to use the official cable and power adapter, or a high-quality, reputable third-party alternative that explicitly supports the Nintendo Switch's power requirements. The reason for this caution lies in the specific power delivery technology of the Nintendo Switch. Your console does not just use a standard USB-C connection. It relies on the USB Power Delivery, or PD, standard. This means the cable and charger need to negotiate the correct voltage and amperage to safely power and charge the device. Many generic USB-C cables are designed for simple data transfer or lower power charging, and they might not have the correct internal resistors or signaling chips to handle the Switch's demanding 15 volts at 2.6 amps when docked. Using an incompatible cable can lead to slow charging, no charging at all, or worse, potential damage to your Switch's internal charging components or even the battery due to incorrect power delivery. If you absolutely need an alternative, look for USB-C cables and power adapters specifically advertised as Nintendo Switch compatible, or those that clearly state they support USB power delivery, or PD, at 15 volts and 2.6 amps. Always prioritize trusted brands known for quality and safety. Check product reviews and avoid unbranded or extremely cheap options, as these are the most likely to cut corners on safety and compliance. When in doubt, the official Nintendo power adapter and USB-C cable are always the safest bet. An important insider detail is that the Nintendo Switch's docking station itself also utilizes this precise PD standard to output video and charge the console simultaneously. A non-compliant cable might not only fail to charge your Switch but could also prevent it from outputting video to your TV correctly, or even brick the dock or console over time. The console is a sensitive piece of electronics, and ensuring its power supply is stable and correct is vital for its longevity. Ultimately, investing in the correct charging accessories for your Nintendo Switch is an investment in the health and lifespan of your console. By choosing the right USB-C cable and power adapter, you are protecting your gaming adventures from unexpected power issues and ensuring you can keep playing your favorite games without worry.